The world is not supposed to catch on necessarily.
Catch on meaning to understand something, especially after some effort to become popular or trendy. In Hindi लोकप्रिय प्रचलित होना.
Like, but the point is you've got to pull your socks up and get on with it.
Pull your socks up means to make an effort to improve your work, behavior or performance. In हिंदी अपना काम, व्यवहार या प्रदर्शन सुधारने के लिए मेहनत करना.
The day, and that's just the way it goes.
So how do you do that? Where do you draw your strength from?
Life's given us plenty of practice. Plenty of practice. So
Plenty means a large or sufficient amount of something, or more than enough or more than needed. बहुत सारा, आवश्यकता से अधिक.
what's interesting though about my life is, though I'm not born to this fraternity, but still
Fraternity means a group of people sharing common interest, profession or brotherhood. भाईचारा या समान रुचि वाले लोगों का समूह.
the producers will be like, what planet does she come from? I mean, that doesn't exist. I mean, your handwritten stuff will not even hold.
Handwritten stuff refers to material, tools or topics related to handwriting such as pen, paper or writing style. हस्तलेखन से संबंधित चीजें जैसे पेन, कागज या लिखने की शैली.
Appearances and a couple of photo shoots. Yeah, even in that size.
That's another thing I wanted to ask about the size.
Wonderfully.
Size was something that was spoken about a lot during that phase.
Yeah,
But
but
did it bother you?
But evidently not. By the looks of it, I was blissfully doing my committee. This is my assignment. My brands, thank you all. You all have been superlative because you've actually spoken volumes for.
Spoken volume means to convey a lot of meaning, often through action, expression or silence without the use of word. बहुत कुछ कह देना, अक्सर क्रियाओं, अभिव्यक्तियों या चुप्पी के माध्यम से, बिना शब्दों के.
For us women, you know, because it was
Protective one can see about Aradhya, and yet what I found
travels and I take her with me wherever I go. Initially, there used to be even a crazier frenzy to get the first image and then to get every image at every stage. But invariably, when I was traveling at an airport,
Invariably means always without change or variation, consistency. सदैव बिना किसी परिवर्तन के, हमेशा.
or something, you see most of the images, my baby was sleeping. If she's asleep, it's your natural instinct to be protective, more reality of my world. But my infant has just come into this world and